Welcome, my viewers. I am right at George. With me, I've got the owner, the manager of the farm. The place is so beautiful for people from Joburg or either Limpopo or any province around. They must, they may come here and see for themselves. More, who can that?
Goed, dankie.
Yeah.
Nice to have you as a guest.
Yeah, thank you very much. I really enjoy the night, and that's why I'm extending my stay to this farmhouse. So, if there are some people who are watching and they've got some plans to come to George, how can they locate you?
I'll give our number. It's 044
Yeah,
873
yeah,
5287
yeah,
or via cell phone if they want to WhatsApp
yeah,
082
yeah,
757
yeah,
9524.
yeah.
And then I'm John Barnard, one of the owners. My wife is inside the house. This is Lindy Diedrichs. She's our manager of the property, and she makes sure everybody feels very welcome.
Yeah. Linda, let me talk to you. The stay previous night was excellent. So I really enjoyed the stay at the farmhouse. What other service do you cater in this farmhouse?
We've got a swimming pool.
Yeah.
We've got the pool room where
Yeah.
you can go and play pool
Yeah.
Darts.
and darts.
Yeah.
So yeah, and you can just relax. It's a very quiet place.
Yeah.
And you can unwind.
A
Yeah.
lot of braai facilities.
And to someone who is coming to George for the first time, what are the interesting spots, place of interest at George? I know now I'm talking, there is a rugby week.
Yes.
Everybody's talking about sports in George. Whether you go to the left or to the east, people are playing different sports.
Yes.
There are many people from Free State. I've seen them from Eastern Cape, from Joburg, from Western Cape, everywhere. They are here at George. What are other places that you can visit at George?
Well, let's just go back to the sports. We've had very interesting. We had the frisbee tournament here
Yeah,
last year, and then we had a frisbee team here probably a couple of nights ago.
yeah,
So that also happens, and then like alternative sport, there's obviously the water sports for the surfers and the guys that like the waves.
yeah,
And then yeah, in December we've also got, I think we've got what they call the tens, the tens tournament,
yeah,
where they also run quite a big rugby tournament here at the Outeniqua Stadium.
yeah,
And then normally in June, July, there's also in that school holiday there also tends to be quite a few sport things happening.
yeah,
Craven Week and stuff we had here also at a stage,
yeah,
And then but other places of interest would obviously be our lovely train museum,
yeah,
the Redberry Farm where you can go pick strawberries, and there's one of the biggest mazes in the southern hemisphere is there, so there's a lot of family activities.
yeah,
Of course, our hiking trails are renowned, and our cycling trails for those
Yeah.
guys that are very sporting.
yeah,
I did see that they've reintroduced the Outeniqua Choo-Choo again, so that's going to start running again,
Yeah.
which is also one of those things. And then, of course, the power van that goes up onto
Yeah.
the Outeniqua mountain, also from George Station. So those are but few of the things. And then, of course, our lovely beaches.
yeah, yeah,
Herald's Bay, Victoria Bay with that iconic train bridge.
yeah.
And then yes, wilderness as well. So there's a lot to see and to do.
But in conclusion, what I can also say about George, George is so peaceful.
Yes.
I've never seen a place, almost when I came here, it's rare to see an accident on the road. It's rare to see a crime on the road. Everything is peaceful. So in conclusion, what can you say to somebody who wanted to visit George? Your last message.
I think if you want to come rest well,
Yeah,
it's a very nice place. As you mentioned as well, it's very calm and tranquil.
yeah,
All the people work together well. The city functions well.
yeah,
So we happy here. We're happy to raise our kids here still
yeah.
and to enjoy. Linda, I don't know if you got something.
Just remind them about your number, Linda. Your number if they want to come to the farmhouse.
044
Yeah,
873
yeah,
5287.
yeah. Baya Dangi.
Dankie vir jou.
It was nice to talk to you. I am Vincent Mdau from Limpopo, doing this live interview at the farmhouse in George. Thank you very much. Baya Dangi, tot ziens.
Thank you.